That's all I want. If I could ask for one thing today, it's a win.
This is me at my first EFL game as a football club owner. A sport that I've played since the day I could walk and have incredible passion for. Over the last year and a half, after discovering NFTs and a passion for Web3, I was able to start my own business and had the opportunity to become an owner of a club. This is my journey at the first game.
We are in Polbath, Scotland.
For the mighty Red Devils of Crawley, we are off.
Carlisle away.
Carlisle
on
away.
the cards. Easy dub.
You ready for the big day?
Oh my god.
The first game?
This is like the crazy thing. I was telling Wilson actually about this. No, who was I telling about this last night on the way there? Like the fact that we're like actually going to the first game is unreal. It's really nutty.
Score predictions.
Score predictions for today. 2-1. I'm like bugging right now. If we miss this bus, there's no chance we're making the game. So, yeah, a little stressed right now. Where are we going?
Someone, right? Yeah, Bunny West.
Yeah, quick! Take the call, let's come on, boys. Score!
Holy shit.
Oh my god.
So are we on time or what?
Yeah, we made it.
Barely. Buzzer beater.
Imagine traveling the 30 hours that we did missing this train. I love the little guy.
Show us the badge.
Hey, I know what to do.
The little man. The little man with the stony.
You got the stony?
No, he doesn't have one yet. He's gonna get it tattooed on it, man.
What I understand is you're a programmer, your friends all own NFTs, but what's holding you up?
Things are gonna change.
There, I love it. There we go. We'll onboard one person at a time. Amazing. All right, gents, let's get some shots and then let's get to the pub with these lads.
Yeah.
All right, guys.
We'll see you there. Thank you very much.
Yeah,
Good to meet you.
Peace.
Good to meet you guys.
Is this it?
Yeah, bar opening time. I quite like it. Yeah.
This was my train.
What do you want?
6 o'clock.
Whatever.
What sort of things do you normally drink?
What are you drinking?
I'm drinking an ale, but have a sip of that. That's proper English, that. You might not like that.
Yeah. All right.
Get one of them?
Yeah.
This was my train at 6 o'clock this morning.
See, I didn't. Yeah. You couldn't.
Weather.
What am I thinking? The weather? Yeah. I don't know, man.
Middle of summer in England is right.
It's quite the buffet you have.
Say 2 of everything to drink.
Yeah, two every pint. Yeah, fine. 2 every pint.
Yeah, I think so. dog. I'm like, bro, I'm so excited. Oh.
Yeah, we were in Scotland. Okay. Yeah, so we flew in there, hung out yesterday, came down, and got in like noon. I like the town. It's a cool town.
It's not bad. Not bad.
I'm like buzzing right now. Buzzing.
Any away-ins?
Yeah, of course. 100%. Only way to do it. Only way to do it.
Yeah, so all of
Oh,
you
the
see
badge
this.
is fully in.
Oh, like make it like
That's it. Here we go again. Lovely, thanks.
Cheers, Stan. Thanks, Stan. Smart.
No.
We'll talk. We will talk. We will talk.
I didn't actually.
I bet you did. I bet you did. How are you? Here we go again. Welcome home, by the way. How are you? Huh? Geezer? I won't. Why not? Yeah, they're out. They're out.
Oh, fantastic.
They're out. The dugout.
I know, okay, yeah, it's got matching.
He's gone in.
He's gone.
Sorry.
Right, there's a steward. I'll catch him up there. And
Yeah, I don't know where he is.
Old school, as they say. Yeah. For my entire life, and it's been one of my biggest passions, and to be here today, one is like overwhelming, but I don't think I'm nervous, I think I'm excited. It's a special moment to be involved with them, the town and the fans and everybody. It's cool.
That's good. Look at it. Look at it.
we didn't get the results that we wanted, it was amazing to be in the stadium and experience this alongside the fans. And let me tell you something, the fans were nothing but passionate and loud the entire game. We also got to see some amazing soccer, and the boys never gave up hope trying to get the win. And if I do say so with some bias, these jerseys look insane. Can't wait for the next one. Catch you soon.